Hey guys, let's discuss new thing from new problem from binary tree, and which is called print the left view of a binary tree. Okay, so what you need to do, we have seen vertical order traversal, we have seen top view of a binary tree, bottom view of a binary tree, and now left view of a binary tree or right view of a binary tree, whatever you need to print. So very simple. Okay, you remember level order traversal. So in level order traversal, if you remember that we were putting value in a queue, okay, and then we were checking if queue is not empty, then we are finding the queue size, and then was running one for loop from I equal to 0 to I is less than size, right, and then picking one by one each element, and then putting its left right into the queue back, okay, and then printing that particular node what we just popped from the queue. So pull from the queue. So here, if the condition I is equal to 0, then only we will print it. That's it, right? So for example, this is your tree, let's say, okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, when you traverse it level wise, okay, and when you print it, so what it will be, first 1 will get printed, then 2 3 get printed, right, and now 4 5 6 get printed. But what I'm saying is, and for this one you run one for loop, for this one you run one for loop, for this one you run one for loop, right? So instead of printing everything from left to right, I'm just printing when I equal to 0 that element. Okay, so first let's see, if you look this tree from left hand side, means from here, okay, if you check this tree from here, then how it will look like. So it will look like something like this. See, so you can see this node 4 2 and 1. Okay, and if you look this tree from right hand side, then how it will look like. From here if you look, okay, this tree, then how it will look like. So you can see this 1, this 3 and this 7, right? So for right hand side you will print the last node of the for loop, and for left hand side you will run the you will print the I equal to 0th node, right? So see here, if you check the code, okay, this is the level order traversal code, exactly same. This is your node structure, data left and right. Then if root equal to null, then return 0. This is the base condition. And after that you are creating one queue, okay, with the help of linked list, and then you are adding the root into the queue. So for example, this is your queue, you have added 1 in the queue. Now you will check if queue is not empty. Okay, you need to run this process until queue is not empty. So what you will do, you will first take the size of the queue. So what is the size of the queue? Size is right now 1. Okay, now I will run one for loop, 0 equal to I is less than 0 size, okay, and then we'll put the we'll take the value from queue into the current. So first I have taken this 1. So in my current I have 1, and I'm checking if I equal to 0. Yes, I equal to 0, so I'll print this current data. So what will be my answer? 1. Okay, now after that what I'm doing, if current left is not equal to null, put it into the queue. So okay, 2 is here. Now same for the right also, so 3 will be here. Okay, again this while loop will continue, it will check what is the size of queue. Right now size is 2, okay, this 2 and 3, this 1 is not there, so it will take this till I equal to 0, I is less than 2, the for loop will run current equal to queue dot poll, so it will take this 2, okay, and then I equal to 0, yes, condition true, so it will print this data, okay, and then we'll put its left and right into the queue. So 4 and 5 will come here, okay, and then after that again it will go to this for loop, okay, I equal to 1. So then it will took this 3 from queue, okay, but I is not equal to 0, I is 1, so it will not print this 3, but we need to put its left and right, so we will put 6 and 7 in the queue. Again it will go to this for loop. For loop is not its condition is not valid, so it will again go to this while loop, and then we'll pick this 3 is done, okay, then we'll pick 4. So 4 is I equal to 0, yeah, condition true, so it will print 4, okay, and then its left and right is null, so no need to put anything in queue. Then 5, but no need to print it because I is not equal to 0. Then 6, then 7, and its left and right is not there. So this is your answer, 1 to 4. So that's it. And for right hand side you will print if I is equal to queue size, right, or queue size minus 1, then only you will print. So you will print, in that case you will print 1 3 and 7. So that's it. Thank you.